Hi, Kevin from the Awareness website, and yes, we've got another video here for you this week. This video's on move 86 and 87, and I'll tell you all about it when we come right back. Okay, so this week we're working on a couple of moves, and they're kind of a repeat move, but it's a little different. So move 86 is White Snake turns and puts out tongue, which is very similar to move 30 and 43, which is turn and chop with fist. And now there was a workshop a long time ago. Mr. Moy was putting on a workshop in Calgary, and someone had the presence of mind to ask him, what is the difference? What is White Snake turns and puts out tongue? And because we always did it the same as turn and chop with fist. And so he proceeded to show us the difference and how White Snake turns and puts out tongue is done. And then he said, just do it the same as the others. So it's a very subtle little difference, and it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. So you don't need to worry yourself too much. But it's all pretty much the same, but there is a slight difference, and I'll show you what that is here right now. So, and also too, move 87 is chop with fist, step up, deflect, parry, punch. So this is one of the moves with chop with fist that it combines those two, where earlier it had them separated. This one combines it. So it's two moves. Let's do it. So we're taking it from fan penetrates through the back. So we've done needle at C bottom, we've come up, fan through the back. So the right arm is going up in line with the body, left hand straight out. So your weight's on your left leg. So you're going to start by pushing on the left leg, and the arms switch. So the left hand goes up, the right hand goes down, and then you turn the body and pivot on the heel. Now there's two ways to do this part of it, and I'll just show you the first one here, so that you can stand up into the left leg and then sit down, turning into the left leg, step out with the right foot, left hand pushes out to the side, right fist chops forward, and then White Snake puts out tongue is the left hand spears out with the fingertips as the right fist comes back to the hip. So with turn and chop with fist, we're pushing out with the palm. In this one, White Snake turns and puts out tongue, you're pushing out with the fingertips. So you're pushing like that instead of with the palm. That's the only difference. So you can do it either way. Mr. Moy didn't have any qualms about doing it all the same. So it's not a big deal. So again, the first version of this, from the fan through back, you get the arms set in place, and then you turn the body. You can stand up into the left leg, nice and tall, and then sit down and step, push to the side, chop to the front, push out with the fingertips. And I was recently shown another way to do this, so you can play around with it. It just gives you a little bit more stretch. So when you come around here, open here, turn, and then keep the right foot planted and sit and stretch that leg with that foot still at that angle. So you're sitting down, it's a nice stretch into the hip. And then when you get into the sit, then you move this foot over and push out. Is one right and one wrong? I don't know. They both do different things. So it's good to play around and try it different ways, seeing what it's doing. I respect both ways. The first way is the one I was taught originally, and the idea was getting up, so spiraling all the way up and then spiraling down into the sit. The other way is very interesting stretch in the leg, and kind of like it, so I play around with both of them. So one of the things when you start off from fan through back is notice that you want to start standing up and the hands are on the center, but don't start turning right away until you get the leg extended. So you don't want to start turning down with this leg bent, like from here, this leg is bent. Don't start turning here, because this leg is not expressing yet. So you want to come up, so you push up. So notice the hands are centered, one up, one down, and then when I get my body up, then I turn my body. So just like doing this foundation, you come up, get the body opened, and then turn the spine, pivoting on the heel, and then you spiral up. And then sit down, so you spiral down into the leg and step out, and the arm goes out to the side, chop, and then push. So it's a good idea to get the body opened up. So don't rush into the turn. Get the arms set so that the body turns and everything goes together. So up, turn, spiral up, spiral down, step, 1, 2, 3. So getting the timing of the arms going as you step. You don't want to get too far ahead of the step. So both arms go together. So when you get sitting here, this almost gets the left arm going out, and I step, and the arms are both going at the same time, doing different things. So it's kind of like this foundation. So play around with that timing. Letting the arm go before, as you're coming into the sit, that's almost like it's stretching this arm, the left arm stretching, step, and that arm is already in motion, so it makes it more continuous. So if you can get past the stop and go, so quite often we'll do this, we'll come up, then we'll sit, then we'll step, and then we'll go with the arms. So trying to feel that connection and that flow really helps with the continuity of the move. Okay, so from white snake puts out tongue, push back from the front leg, the arms balance out, equal and opposite, push up with the left leg, okay, pas qua, chop, push, up, step through, deflect, parry, punch. So very much the same as the other chop with fists that we've done. It's just coming back from the from this part of it, push with the front leg, open the arms, relax into left leg so you can push up, pas qua, and chop. And then push out. So here you relax into the front leg, you push up, you turn to the right to sit down and step through, and then punch with the brush knee. So I'll show you this way. So turn, white snake puts out tongue, push back, open, push up with a bouquet, pas qua, chop, push. Sit down in the front leg, push up, keep that front arm extending as you come up, keep that front arm extending as you sit down, step, and punch. So don't let it collapse. It's kind of like doing brush knees, keeping that arm open as you step. So this is the same thing. The left arm goes out, continues to express, and then as you turn and sit, that front arm keeps you balanced going into that sit, and then you push out. So balance with the body. Try and pay attention to what things are helping you do the move, do the step, and keeping you stable in your supporting leg. Okay, I think that's all I need to say on that. We've done this move a few times before. So again, if you have any question or confusion, send us an email. So let's do the follow through. So we'll do it as though I'm facing towards you, starting with the fan through back, and then we'll turn around and you'll be following me doing white snake turns. Okay? So turn around. We'll do fan penetrates through back. Alright, so you push from the front leg, open the arms, and then turn and pivot on the heel. Stand up, get your balance, relax into the left leg, step out with the right, left to the side, chop to the front, left hand pushes out with the fingertips. Push back with the left leg, and up with the bouquet, pakwa step, chop, and push. Up, step through, deflect, parry, punch. Okay, one more time. Spin around. So, fan penetrates through back. Left hand goes up and the right hand goes down. Come up, turn the body, pivot on the heel. Stand up into left leg. Sit down into left leg, step with the right. 1, 2, 3. Push back, left arm comes back, sit into the left leg, push up with a bouquet, pakwa step, chop out, turn to the right as you sit into the front leg, push up, and then continue to turn into the right to sit down, step, and punch. So let's do it one more time, facing this direction. So we'll start with the fan through back going this way, and I'll turn and go that way. So fan through back. Left arm up, right hand down, get the body up, turn the body, pivot on the heel. Stand up in the left leg, sit down into left leg, step with the right. 1, 2, 3. Push back, left arm comes back, up with the bouquet, pakwa, chop, push. Up, sit down into the right leg again, step out, deflect, parry, punch. Okay, one more time. So left hand up, right hand down. Turn, pivoting on the heel. Get that pigeon toed, up on the left. Turn to the left as you sit down, step out, push to the side, chop to the front, push straight out. You're going to turn to the left as the left arm comes back, relax into the left leg, push up with a bouquet, pakwa, chop, turn to the front, turn to the right as you sit. Up, left step through, and square forward as you punch. So let's do one with the different sit, the different turn. I think we got time on the camera still. So I'll do it facing this way and you can follow me. And so this time, instead of standing all the way up and then sitting, we're just going to come around and sit and stretch. So as you come around, you're going to sit and stretch this leg and then move it over and then come out into the white snake. Okay? So fan through back. So left hand up, turn, pivoting, keep turning, sitting and stretching the right leg, step with the right, chop and push. Come back, up to the bouquet, pakwa, chop, push. Up, turn and sit into the right leg, step, deflect, parry, punch.
And then we do one this way.
We'll do one this way? Okay. So fan through back. So get the arms centered, turn the body, pivoting, and then turn into the left leg, Stretch the right leg out. Step. 1, 2, 3. Push back, open, turn into left leg, push up, pakwa, chop, push. Up, turn into the right leg, step, and punch. Okay, couple things to play with there. So have fun with it. We've got a couple things coming up. We're going to be doing a workshop in Nakusp, BC. So if you're out in that area, get a hold of the Nakusp group. They've got some details and stuff. I'm going to put the details on the website. It's going to be cheap. It's going to be very informal, and going to cover lots of stuff. So hope to see you there. Check out the website, of course. Like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our channel. The easy peasy thing. You know how to do it now. So, and take care. Practice lots. And we'll see you soon. Bye.